Oh, I tell you guys, man, I am tired, man. I am tired right now. I really am. Oh my God. Damn. Oh, this sucker right here is about to just fold up for real. Oh, damn. Damn. I'm about to see what year this is when I take it up there to that front. Matter of fact, let's see what year it is right here, right quick. Let's see. So I guess right now, I'm looking at a International Harvester 1000 is what we're looking at. In just a minute, we'll figure out exactly what year this baby is. Man, this damn thing right here is just mangled all up, ain't it? So I think right now we're looking at, let's see, what is that? 1965, if I'm correct. Exactly what this baby is right here. See if we can see up off in here, because this whole roof done caved in. And you don't even see stuff like this anymore. Really don't at all, man. I remember maybe about a year and a half ago, probably close to 2 years, I ended up crushing quite a few international harvesters, a couple of international scouts. Man, all this stuff right here I gotta walk through. Man, this baby right here, she is something else. It is really rusted out. International. So I'm guessing what we're looking at is a inline 6, straight 6, you could say. Or what you could say, the old shotgun, straight shooter, bang bang. Y'all know what time it is. Man, this mud is so damn slippery. Jesus. I just hope this baby, I just hope she don't fall apart on me. That's what I'm hoping, that it doesn't happen. I knew that was gonna happen, man. I knew some of that was gonna fall out. I knew it was. It was just a matter of time. Man, it is getting so tight back here, y'all. I got 4 loads back here in this back here. I can't even put nothing else back here. And now I'm already starting load number 5 in front of my crusher, but on down. So each time I do 2 bundles, I gotta move my drain rack and move the cart. Mario gonna be like, man, what the hell is that? It's the International, Mario. Exactly what this baby is. Comes in sun glare. There is no mercy. There's no mercy. Everybody know I don't show none. Oh, Pontiac Grand Prix. I believe that's what this is here. Y'all know what time it is. I'm up and out of here.